Those flames are fucking huge!
What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to intercool my KAT setup. I'm also going to be cleaning up a little bit of this here. I have to mount the power steering reservoir, and I'm gonna mount that oil pump. The intercooler is right here. So go ahead and get this thing going today. I also got some metal here to make a heat shield for the master cylinder. So before I get into any of that, I'm just going to repair this area first. I'm not really gonna straighten the frame back out or anything right there, but I'm just gonna clean it up and then weld a piece of stock from here to up here so that this doesn't have this like wiggle to it like that has right there. But the other side is mint, so. Pretty ghetto, but it'll work. It's obviously not gonna do anything in the event of a crash right here, but it'll hold this from wiggling.
What happens if I spin out right in front of you and you hit me at that angle?
With this corner? Yeah. Oh, it's gonna squish all the way into here. It's not like, this isn't strong, but it definitely prevents it from wiggling.
You just see a mock-up trial, dude.
Yeah, this is the first pipe here. There's already, I want to say this was KAT or SR before I bought it. So the holes are already there. And I'm just gonna test fit some of this stuff here. Yeah, we're good.
Oh god. This is pretty heavy.
Slide it out. Yeah, right. It's eBay. It's straight eBay, dude. This is the cheapest giant one that you could get.
This is exactly like mine.
I think it is your exact one. All right, well, we got this big box of piping and couplers, and we have this pipe going down. I cleaned up some of that wiring back here. I got to clean it up here, but I cleaned up under this pipe here. So yeah, that comes out there. So we're gonna need a pipe to basically come forward and then take a 90-degree turn, because the intercooler is probably gonna sit, it's gonna sit pretty low. Let's probably mount that first. That is so big. Yeah, we'll mount that first, and then we'll take care of the piping.
That's the intercooler mount?
Mm-hmm. Though that's the question.
Get a bumper. Not too shabby.
No, because this is technically supposed to be on the top. There shouldn't be a gap there because the bolts are too long. So it's like
you could
it's hanging down like an inch too far. No.
Yeah, it looked perfect.
I don't even know what to say anymore.
Dude,
it will work.
Washers.
That's what I was gonna say. Look at those washers.
The thing is, it's legit though.
Bolts for washers. That's legit for sure.
Nuts, okay.
I mean nuts
for washers.
This is legend of
It's
the.
on there, dude. We're gonna rip it this weekend. We're going to an event. I'm gonna tandem with Chow.
Is it too short?
I think it might be. Yeah. We're a little bit off here.
Oh, this is the point where you have to tilt it like
hold on.
mine.
We're gonna finesse this whole thing.
Oh my gosh.
No, you can't finesse that.
We're gonna finesse this here, dude. How much? Hold on. This can rotate.
Oh my
now.
gosh.
Look.
This is gonna get fucking bad.
No, look. This can rotate, and this can go like this. Look at that. Look at that. Watch how legit this is about to get.
Dude, that's legit, dude.
Yeah, this is hella legit. Look, Brandon, what are you talking about, bro? Look at this shit.
Hella JDM, dude.
Hella JDM, dude. Okay.
You just gotta finesse it because none of these clamps are on, so you can wiggle everything around.
Yeah.
And then boom, look at that. until Chow spins in front of me, and then he squishes all my shit in,
It's
like he
all
said he
wrong.
was gonna do.
Damn it, Jeff.
Octopus hands.
I mean, everybody's seen Chow drive now, where it looks like he's trying to kill a bee in the car.
Oh shit! There you go. There you go. Woo! That was not too shabby.
This is the pipe for the intake that was originally in the car, and I need to use it because the MAF here is this size of this pipe on this side and the size of the intercooler pipe on the other side. So that has to go there. And for anyone wondering, yes, I will be blowing through this MAF, and it's probably not going to make a damn difference. So cry about it.
On that. Sweet. It's, oh, dude, don't show
He's
me.
a fan. He's a fan.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Incoming 2019 brand market car.
Wow. It's so ricer.
I like this.
You what?
I like this. Our shop neighbor is gonna custom make this pipe for me here that goes from here down to this area here because it has like things that like protrude that hit this stuff. So.
Come back here though. Like stand at the door, dude. Like look at it. It looks mean, dude.
It looks so mean, dude.
Wait till that blower's hanging out that hood.
So that just sits right there, nice and open.
Oh shit, you right, dude.
Metal one.
Got that metal one? That 90 right there? They just send you like a pack of fucking like puzzly.
Yeah.
Wow. That's eBay. Is that it?
Maybe we'll see in a second.
Yeah, that'll work.
You just have to shove that in, push that whole system upwards.
Yeah, so it's
Like literally push that.
metal to metal.
Yeah. Shove this in there. Hose clamp all this together.
And then
and
good.
it's ready to go, dude.
This is like the most gâteau Intercooler setup ever.
Budget, okay?
This is
This is the cheapest you could turbo a KA for with all brand new stuff. So now that my intercooler piping is all done, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the heat shield over here. That'll just kind of protect the master cylinder from the exhaust. So the steel sheet seems to work pretty well in there. So I'm just gonna figure out a way to maybe mount it to this bolt, maybe a piece of flat stock from here to there, and then just kind of tack it on there.
safety issues.
But up here, it's hot as hell, but it don't go anywhere.
We Gucci gang, dude.
Oh shit! Dude, did you see those flames?
Yeah.
Dude, it shoots huge flames on B-cell. I wonder if you can hear the KA over the oil pumps. Ready?
Put it in second.
Oh! Dude, those flames are fucking huge! Can you... Oh, I wonder if the camera caught those.
Maybe.
Those are so big.